How are you doing, math learners? This is your free access math teacher Ash, and welcome to ML with Sir Ash. For today's lesson, we're going to discuss angle measurements, specifically how to convert the different representations or denotions of angle measures. This is known as the radians and degree measures. So in this video, I will teach you how to convert radians to degree measures and vice versa. If you don't know anything about this topic, then I suggest you finish this video. But before anything else, hit the subscribe button and notification bell for you to be updated of the school clear math videos just like this. Hello math learners, welcome to another session here in Math Learning with Sir Ash. Today, we're going to discuss the most essential learning competency-based lesson for Quarter 2 of the Grade 10 Mathematics, which is all about the angle measurements. Now, question is, what is about the angle measurements? In terms of circle, angle measurements can be represented in two ways. The first one is by the use of the degree measures, which is the common idea for us in measuring angles. And the second one is the radian measures. Now, the radian measure is based on the context of the pi and the radius of the circle. Now, as you know, the radian measures and the degree measures are connected with each other because they are used to represent angle measurements. Now, the question is, how do we convert from radian to degree or degree measures to radian measures? Now, my dear math learners, basically, in terms of measurements, if you could still follow my discussions about measurements in the grade 7 lessons, we will be using a basic idea on how to convert, and that is by the use of the conversion ratio, meaning a representation of two quantities which will link us in converting the degree to radian and radian to degree. Now, this is the concept, my dear math learners. Always remember that 1 pi is equal not just by the 3.1416 that we are using in the formula for circles, but pi based on degree measurement is equal to 180 degrees. Now, if we share this into a context of the circle, the whole circle is equal to 360 degrees or 2 pi. Again, 1 pi is equal to 180 degrees. That is one semicircle. So that is 1 pi. And one circle, one full circle, is equal to 2 pi or 360 degrees. Now, pi is equal to 180 degrees or 180 degrees is equal to 1 pi. This will be our basis for converting radian measures to degree measures or vice versa. Now, let us go to our whiteboard for you to understand more how to convert them manually. Okay, math learners, we have here our exercises for the conversion of angle measures. Okay, now we have here the first set of exercises. Convert the following to radians. The second exercises is to convert the following into degrees. Remember that 1 pi is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, therefore, if this is the case, then we can make a ratio out of this, that is pi is to 180 degrees, or we could just put it in a way pi over 180 or 180 per pi. Now, why did I write this down? It is because this kind of representation will help you in converting degree measure to radian and vice versa. Okay, my dear math learners, as you can see, the first set is here. Convert the following to radians. We have 60, 120, 30, 240, and 300 degrees. This is degrees. We need to make this as radians. Now, basically, this degree symbol, we will eliminate that and change it into radian. Now, remember that if you have given that is represented without a denominator, it means that this all given here is a whole number or it is located in the numerator side. So in order for us to eliminate the degree symbol here, we need to have or we need to multiply this into a conversion where the degrees is in the denominator side. So having that one, we can cancel this degree here. Easy, right? So we just put 180 degrees in the denominator side. Now, the question is, my dear math learners, what will we put in the numerator side? Now, let's go back to our ratio. We have pi is equal to 180 degrees. So, in 180 degrees, there is 1 pi or just pi. Okay. So, by doing so, we can now eliminate our degrees. Okay. And our final answer will have the radian measures. You will know that it is a radian measure because it is denoted with a pi. Okay. So, 60 times pi over 180, you can use the cancellation method. So, this is 60 and 180. What is the GCF of 60 and 180? Very good. That is 60. So, 60 divided by 60, this will become 1. 180 divided by 60, this will become 3, giving you pi over 3. And that will be your final answer. Easy, right? Now, how about this? We have 120 times pi over 180. Now, I will show you, my dear math learners, if you didn't get the cancellation method, you just multiply this one, giving you 120 pi over 180. And you simplify 120 over 180, that will be divided by its GCF, and that is 60. So, 120 divided by 60, that is 2. 180 divided by 60, that is 3. So, this will give you 2 pi over 3, and that will be your final answer. Easy, right? Now, how about this one? We have 30 times pi over 180. So, we will use 30 as our GCF. So, 30 divided by 30, that will be 1. Okay? And 180 divided by 30, that will be 6. So, giving us pi over 6. And that's it. How about this one? 240 over 180. Now, my dear math learners, this one is bigger, right? But it is still divisible by 60. So, the GCF of 240 and 180 is 60. So, dividing this by 60, that will give you 4. Dividing this by 60, that will give you 3. So, we have 4 pi over 3. Okay. And then, finally, we have here 300 degrees. So, we multiply this 300 times pi divided by 180. So, I think still our GCF is 60. So, therefore, this will be 5 and this will be 3. So, we will have 5 pi over 3. And that will be your final answer. So, basically, we have just answered our first set of exercises for converting degrees to radians. Easy, right? Now, let us go to converting the degrees to radian measure. Now, my dear math learners, as you can see, these are all in radian measures because it is denoted by pi. How do we make this one into a degree measure? My dear math learners, remember that this is pi, right? There is a pi here. We need to eliminate that pi. Okay? So, in converting, we will multiply our radian measure by a denominator with a pi. Okay. Why is it with a pi? For us to cancel the pi symbol, giving us the whole number symbol or the value which is our degree. Now, remember our conversion. If there is a 1 pi here, that is 180 degrees. Okay. So our final answer will have a degree measure. So, let us start. This will be cancelled, of course. All of our pi's will be cancelled. And leaving us the value for our number. So, that is 3 times 180 divided by 2. Now, as you can see, my dear math learners, I could use the cancellation here for easy multiplication. So, 180 divided by 2, I could have 90. And this will be 1. Okay. So, therefore, my denominator is already eliminated. So, I have over 1. So, I will be having a whole number as my final answer. So 90 times 3, that is 270 degrees. And that will be your final answer. Easy, right? How about this one? We have 7 over 6 and 180. So I could use 6 and 180 here. So if I divide this by 6, this will become 30. Of course, this will become 1. So this will give me again a whole number. So 7 times 30, that is 210 degrees. And that is my final answer. Easy, right? Now, how about here? We have 180 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So 180 divided by 2, that is 90 degrees. Easy, right? Now, how about this one? So we have 5 times 180 over 6. We could just cancel this one, giving us 30 here. And then 5 times 30, that is 150 degrees. And that will be your final answer. And finally, we have here 180 times 11 over 6. So we can use the cancellation. This will become 1. This will become 30 again. So 30 times 11, and that will give us 0, 3, 3, or 330 degrees. Okay, my dear math learners, I hope you have learned a lot of things on how to convert radian measures to degree measures and degree measures to radian measures. Now, this is the time that I will challenge you whether you have understood our topic, and here it is. Okay, math learners, I hope you have a wonderful time about our topic for today. This is still your free access math teacher Ash, and always remember, it is fun to learn mathematics if we are together learning. Thank you so much, God bless, and keep safe always. Congratulations, math learners, for arriving to this part of the video. If you think that this video have helped you, click that like button. And if you think that this channel can change the way you see mathematics, do not forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you.